Okay, we got a mini project today here on the back patio. Imagine that. And the mini project is going to be hanging from our house to a pole that's going to go there, and to the cabin and back to the house, some Edison string lights. So we ordered everything off of Amazon, and we've got a couple sets of string lights. We've got a cable to attach to the 3 points, and we've got an extension cord. And by the way, repping East Bay High School Wrestling. Go Indians. Now the way we've decided to set this up is that between the cabin and the house, they're going to be strung 1 point, almost kind of like a triangle here. And then we're going to put in a post right there at the center point of the patio, and then that post, the top of that, we'll string it back to the cabin. So first thing we need to do is put in this post. So let's do it. This is all backfill that I put in after I put in the retaining wall. That's why it's pretty easy to dig through. Consistency right there for our post. Let's go fill her in. Here's what came with this pack. We've got 4 of these, some set screws that I probably won't use, these little things for the cables to make your set point, those thingamajiggies, a couple turnbuckles, carabiners, zip ties, instructions, wrench, 100 feet of cable. All right there. Yeah. Right there? Alright, you say so.
Wait, I just thought of something. Let that be your bottom.
What do you mean the bottom? There's not a bottom, it's this hook. Okay, you tell me where you want it. Here, here, here.
Yeah, hold on. Put your hand down a little bit more.
right, hand me the cable. Put it in that hook. Don't worry about that now, just hand me the cable. Okay. What do you think? Okay, we got this bracket on here. Okay, got that about as tight as I can do it physically. We can tighten it up even more with the turnbuckle. Probably tighten it once we get the lights on there. We'll just leave it loose for now. To the house there, around to that post, and back to the cabin again. Carabiner right there. Carabiner right there. My hot wife right there.
No.
That's where we started with the turnbuckle. Don't really need to tighten it any. And so we have the cord coming up here under the eave, plugged into this extension cord that's wire tacked underneath all the way to the back of the cabin. Comes right down here to the plug. All right, that's another mini project done. Got all the lights hung. They're looking good here at dusk. Let me close with this. John 8:12, Jesus said, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life."